Free Food is a family-run business delivering prep meals made with farm-to-table fresh ingredients. We work on a circular business model with local farmers. With our ColorWorks printer, we only print the labels we need, customized and personalized labels, which allow us to have a personal relationship with our clients. Color is vital for information, like freshness, since we prepare different types of meals per client. Some of them are flexitarians, vegetarians, or like low carbs. And with different color labels, they identify their meals quickly at time of purchase or at the time of the meal. We work with recycled packaging from our containers to our carton boxes. And we use Epson color label printers with a similar mindset, since they have a low energy consumption, and we only print what we need with less waste. Epson ColorWorks made a difference for our small business. Epson.